Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Electrolux induction cooktop E9 error. First, switch off the cooktop and unplug it from the mains or turn off the circuit breaker and wait at least 2 to 3 minutes and you can just simply plug it back in and power it on because sometimes a simple reset can clear the error. Another one is make sure the cooktop has proper ventilation and that nothing is blocking the cooling fans underneath and just simply check for overheating. Another one is confirm the outlet and the circuit breaker are working correctly because sometimes a low or unstable voltage can trigger the E9 error. Now, what you could try to do as well is use induction compatible pots or pans with flat bottoms because sometimes incompatible cookware can sometimes confuse the sensor. So you could try different cookware and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.